Hi there, today's tip is for the knots. When I discovered this tool, it was a game changer. This is what we call a magic pen. It's made to easily conceal darker knots. If your wig is light blonde and has bleach knots, there is absolutely no need for you to use this. But for the darker color wigs, it makes a huge difference, regardless if knots are bleached or not. Especially if you have a wig with unbleached knots, this magical pen is a must. You'll be amazed what a difference it makes. Simply draw on the knots that you feel are too noticeable, like I'm doing here. You can also gently rub with your finger to evenly blend the coverage, and that's it. It's so quick and easy. For darker color wigs with bleach knots, even though we tone the knots to neutral color, with time those knots can get warmer, and that is the time that this pen can come in handy. So what is so special about this pen? Well, the most important thing, it covers the knots like magic. Moreover, unlike the regular powder, it doesn't leave any residual on the lace. It's very easy to wash out, and it's so easy to use. You can use it anywhere on a lace area, so this little thing is handy not only for lace top wigs, but for silk top wigs with lace at the front too. If you are looking for another way to conceal the knots instead of a powder or concealer, don't hesitate to try this out. I personally love this a lot. See you in the next episode.